Go for a walk. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. Going for a walk.
Going for a walk.
Going for a walk.
Let's go for a walk.
Look at that horse gallop. Look at her run. A frolicking goose.
She hates cows. Come on. Sweet little fella.
She's a sweet.
She ain't moving. She ain't.
She just ain't moving. Is she coming? Scrummy.
Yummy.
We are now further up the hill. As you can see.
Not even in the forest yet.
Not even in the forest yet. We are getting there.
Isn't it slowly?
So very slowly. Here's a great day. Great part of our day that we are going to film and share with you.
Yes. This is a story of exercise, walking.
The story of Balamori dog. Sweet dog.
Oh, she's a lovely girl.
She's a lovely girl, she is.
Run! I don't think she's running very fast. We're probably going to lose her for like 2 hours.
Look at that bird.
Oh. Show them the path of wisdom.
Here's the path of wisdom.
Yeah.
Can't remember when I last vlogged, but I don't know where Amelia's gone. She seems to have disappeared, so I'm going to keep walking till I can find her. It's been quite a while now, and I've been waiting for a long time. I see that dog. I see that sweet dog. I don't see Amelia. Amelia! Oh wait, I think I've spotted something. I spotted a mongoose. That sweet mongoose. I found her. She's running. She's running away. Look at that dog's that beautiful dog. A beautiful dog.
Oh, I do like a bit of countryside, don't you, Charlie?
Yes.
My shadow. Kiwi. My friend, come in the shadow. That's a sweet dog. Bye. She's about to jump. Here she goes. Come on, my sweet friend. Oh, she's a lovely dog. Look at that face. Let's go. Ooh, Charlie's trying to sneak. I think there's a really ugly.
You shall not pass.
Wonderful. Excuse me. Coming through. Thank you. Goodbye.
Don't know what she's doing. She's such a nutter. What are you doing, my friend? So we are still walking, and my friend is being a toad. Let's see if she's behind the tree. She's gone. She has to stop hiding. Where did she go? This is what you get for walking in the wind. Ah! Ah! Oh! This was a bad idea. Help! Photogenic dog.
It's so hot. She said me. So you're too
my four-wheeler. I called my four-wheeler.
Oh yeah, tell them the background story of my four-wheeler.
Oh yeah. If you're wondering why we keep saying my four-wheeler,
And talking funny voices.
yeah, it's because that's what we do. But the reason why we call each other my four-wheeler is basically we used to live like up a hill. I used to live at the top and she used to live at the bottom, and
Now she lives half an hour away.
yeah, and basically when she literally used to come over to my house every day, and when she went home she was going down the hill and we were singing
Goodbye, my lover.
goodbye my four-wheeler, and that's how we got it.
That's where my four-wheeler came from.
Yeah.
It's not my friend.
It's my four-wheeler.
Like, four-wheeler.
Nada.
No, don't.
Nada.
So yeah,
So yeah.
background story.
Goodbye my lover.
This is fun. Great fun. Oh yeah. Can you push me? Push me, please. Hey, it's the view of the world. This is the bear pit. Tastes like the dog. Tastes like the. Oh yeah. Right now. Your turn. What the cat? Try to do the backwards thing.
What's this?
Like, no, don't kick me. Hold up.
Oh, I'm scared I'm gonna fall off. I'm not four-wheeler. Goodbye my lover. This is great fun.
Good fun. Time to spin now, Charlie.
360. There is a
You're such a...
I nearly fell off. So we're about to leave now.
I think I believe
Come help! Come help!
I think she likes me. Let's go this way.
Stop! He's such a butthole. cat, is it?